Hello guys, welcome to Maths Tips and Tricks. Today I'll share the solution of question number 4 of exercise 6.4 of chapter 6 of NCERT Exemplar Class 10 Maths. So let's start. The question states that in figure 6.17, if PQRS is a parallelogram and AB is parallel to PS, then prove that OC is parallel to SR. We'll solve this solution by using the properties of triangle and basic proportionality theorem. Let's start from the next page. In the question, we are given that PQRS is a parallelogram. So therefore PS will be parallel to QR and PQ will be parallel to SR. And ABC is a triangle in which AB is parallel to PS. Therefore AB is parallel to PS, which is parallel to QR. And we need to prove that OC is parallel to SR. The proof. In triangle OPS and triangle OAB, angle POS is equal to angle AOB as they are common, and angle OSP is equal to angle OBA as they are the corresponding angles, as we know that AB is parallel to PS. Therefore, the triangles OPS and triangle OAB will be similar by AAA criteria, and by basic proportionality theorem, which is BPT, we can say that OS upon OB is equals to PS upon PB. Let OS upon OB equals to PS upon AB be equation 1. Now in the other two triangles, let's take the angle CQR and triangle CAB. In these two triangles, angle QCR is equals to angle ACB as they are common, and angle CRQ is equals to angle CBA as they are the corresponding angles. Therefore, we can say that angle CQR is similar to triangle CAB by AAA criteria. And therefore, again by basic proportionality theorem, we can say that QR upon AB is equals to CR upon CB. Let this be equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, we can say that OS upon OB is equals to CR upon C. Now from equations 1 and 2, we can say that OS upon OB is equals to CR upon CB as QR is equals to PS. And if we do the reciprocal of this equation, we can say that OB upon OS is equals to CB upon CR. Now let this be equation number 3. Now, when we see in the figure, OB is equals to OS plus BS and CB is equals to CR plus RB. Therefore, from equation number 3, we can say that OS plus BS upon OS is equals to CR plus RB upon CR. Now, if we take the denominator separately, we can say that 1 plus BS upon OS is equals to 1 plus BR upon CR. Now the 1 and 1 will be cancelled. We get BS upon OS is equals to BR upon CR. Now by the converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can say that the lines OC and SR are parallel to each other. Hence proved. Let's see once again that what we have done in the question. First we have proved First we have used two triangles and proved them similar, and using BPT theorem we have proved that OS upon OB is equals to PS upon PP. Similarly, we have proved that QR upon AB is equals to CR upon CB. Now as QR and PS are equal, from these two equations we can say that OS upon OB is equals to CR upon CB. Now by doing some simple calculations, we have proved that BS upon OS is equals to BR upon CR. And by the converse of basic proportionality theorem, we have proved that OC is parallel to SR. So that's it. So now it's time to say goodbye. Thanks for watching my video, and for more videos like this, check out my other videos. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.